Hi, this video will introduce the setup of the self-organizing network solution for community projects. The solution is designed for community projects, enabling basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring even without internet access. Once devices connect to the internet, they can be integrated into the SmartPlus cloud using the Installer Kit tool or the AK Partner app, allowing for the creation of SmartPlus app accounts for residents. This video primarily focuses on the on-premise setup. In this demonstration, the S532 is installed at the community gate, while the R20A and C313W indoor monitor are utilized within an apartment. Please note that only certain models with specific firmware versions support the self-organizing network features. For detailed model information, please refer to the video introduction. This video covers 3 parts: connection, set the door phone in public areas, and set the indoor monitor and door phone in an apartment. Let's start with the connection. Please refer to the wiring diagrams. Here we simply use the Power over Ethernet switch to connect devices. If you want to learn about the wiring of 2-wire devices, please refer to the video called Installing 2-wire devices with NC2 and NS2. After devices are powered on, we can start the configuration. You can check the device IP by pressing the asterisk 2396 and the hash symbol. Without the DHCP server, devices are assigned IP starting with 169.254. The 210 followed indicates that the door phone is installed at the entrance of the whole community. If you want to use it at the building gate, you need to log into its web interface after it has network to change it. For example, you can change it to 211, meaning the device is installed under the first building. If not needed, simply skip this part. Enter the device IP in a browser and enter the username and password. The initials are both admin. Click Quick Start, where you can see that the building number is 0 by default. You can change it to the desired number based on where the device is actually used. Next, let's proceed to indoor monitors and door phones used for each apartment. On the indoor monitor, select the time and language. Set the building, floor, and room numbers based on where the device is actually installed. To set the device role, if only one indoor monitor is installed in an apartment, designate it as the master. In this case, it will be the main device where users scan the QR code and register the SmartPlus account. When a device is in slave mode, select a device number ranging from 1 to 8. Click Next to pair the indoor monitor with the door phone. The door phone plays a ding sound when it receives a signal from the indoor monitor. Press its push button. Check the door phone and tap Confirm on the indoor monitor. Tap Done to finish the settings. Now, basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring can be achieved between devices. Press the push button of R20 and the indoor monitor receives the call. Tap the door phone name on the indoor monitor. It receives the call.
Welcome, please come in.
To make a call using the S532, enter the building number, followed by the hash symbol, then the floor number and room number. The indoor monitor will receive the call. If the S532 is used within the same building as the R20 and C313, simply enter the floor number and room number to call. Besides, residents can view the live stream from door phones by tapping Monitor.
Welcome, please come in.
Thanks for watching.